Today is October 27th, 2020, and I'm underneath a juniper tree here in the San Rafael Swell area, back in the Devil's Canyon area for the first time in a couple of years, actually. Like last time I was here, I'm going to pursue a day trip. This time my mission is to get up to the highest point in all of San Rafael Swell, up at San Rafael Knob. So it's something I learned about, again, through the Road Trip Ryan platform and a smartphone app in my case. So yeah, just got some breakfast in progress here, and yeah, after I sort of warm up from a frosty morning, I'll be taking on this day hike, and we'll see how I go. I lost the Road Trip Ryan GPS track a couple of times, so there was a couple of times I had to backtrack and work around to actually the other side of San Rafael Knob that we don't see on the approach hike. But yeah, once I got here, finally found certainly the easier route up, sort of on the back side or the east side. And yeah, some view, 360 degrees, hardly any wind. Yeah, the high point of the entire San Rafael Swell, which is in itself a rather large area. So I'm going to have some lunch here and work my way back to the car, maybe on an alternate route. And yeah, see how I go.